Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Right, so it's Brown? Brown's the guilty one? Meh. He said Brown, so I'ma just do Brown. Because he said Brown. You always be sussing me, bro. I swear, if we get called seniors, I'm wheeze. I'm gonna wheeze. I'm gonna wheeze. Ew. And yes, I think I found a way to record. Think I found a way to. I think I found a way to. Oh my god. Twin! Did somebody just vent? I could swear I just saw somebody vent. I think I did. It might have been my eyes playing tricks. But I'm gonna just come here. Stop rolling over my Q-tip. Oh, did I really just do that? Hey, I shall protect you. I'm stalking this homie. He shall not harm my twin. Get away from my twin. Twin! You left me! Twin! Twin! That is sus. That sounds like a trap. Hey, sister. No. Oh, I've been voted. Who has the audacity to vote me? Mm, I have the water thingy, Madigger. Oh yeah, you see the arrows too? You see the arrows too? Oh yes, follow the arrows. Sarah. Sarah. I might die. I have this feeling that I'm about to die. I feel like I'm about to die. Oh, oh, I did it. Oh! Whoa! What? What you were on the body? Okay, so Cyan. All right. If he says if I was him, I would kill Yellow. That would 100% count. Cause that's your girl. Yeah. Don't kill your girl. Oh, God. These lights. Oh, God. Oh, God. I can't with these lights. Hey, how'd you get here so fast? Okay. I don't like that. That looks really sus. 2, 5. Ugh. Dude, we need to stop reading the codes out loud. I'm going to cafeteria. If I die, you know who did it. Ah! Wait, no, I'm going to go fix that. I'm gonna go fix that. Ah, ah, I need to go fix it. Let me in. Let me in. Oh my god. Oh my god, Cyan is here. Ah! I, oh, Ansa. Oh, brother. Twin! 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 I don't trust you, Cyan. Where is my darling? I need to find my darling. Wait, why isn't it opening? I got a task right here. Alright, if somebody pops up this. What? What did I just do? Yeah, I just. Are you serious? I gotta go back up. Really? My darling is being. Huh? Oh, I don't know. Cyan just went. I was. Cyan. I'm pretty sure they. Okay, I gotta go to cafeteria. Yo, where is Cyan? Baby, look at. Oh, brother. Mm. Yeah. Hey mom, did you take Xavier off the game or something? No, he might have got. What you say?
That game was bad.
Why?
Cause I was murderizing on people, and I kept freezing, bro. I just
Oh!
it was like I pressed the kill button, and the game was just like, so what?
So I found a way to record. I don't know if it's gonna work, but you gotta give it to Pepper. No. Why did you do that? That hurts.
Is it on here?
What?
Is the game on here?
Yeah. Good luck trying to play it though.
Bet.
You died? No, my baby. Oh, my baby, don't die. Twin is being oddly silent. You're being oddly silent, my dear twin. Twin! 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 Oh, that's us! That's us! That's us! Twin!
That's not on here.
It is, because I put it on there.
Who said I wanted?
Oh, dang. Hang on, I'll reinstall it. That is so mean. What did I do? My little baby heart. My little baby heart. Xavier. Twin. Oh, my little baby.